Alright, once again, here we are. Another one we're doing a video. Once again, Aussies in Australia, still waiting to get to America. Now, we're doing a fucking boat. So, just checking it out. We're filling all the cracks and making it look all beautiful for the guy. Done for punishment? Yeah, I think so. Big ass boat. Not too afraid to take on shit. There she is again. Alright, catch you next time.